We come in straight to a Peloton, another machine for cycling. I guess there's a difference. And then we have some treadmills, ellipticals, rowing machine, good amount of space right here. Ab machines. Let's see, 2 flat benches. Nice little view of the wooded area covered in snow. Kettlebells, dumbbells up to 50 pounds. Big old mirror. Cable machine where you can do different pull-ups and whatnot. We also have medicine balls. We have a scale as well. This is the gym. Everything you need and a good amount of space. Do have water right there. How about some towels and disposable headphones? And then we are at the -1 floor where we also have a pool from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Adults only, actually. Adults only from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. So an hour of adults only at nighttime. It's warm in here. The water goes up to 5.15. Good amount of space over here. Looks like there's a deck. Maybe there will be some chairs out there when the weather is better. Nice little view of the woods. Chairs here. There is a bathroom over there as well. And then let's feel the water. The water is warm, actually. And then there's the gym again.